Okay, I'm cutting this by hand. It's just easier that way. It's a simple shape. Then we're going to be putting it face down like this. But before we get to that point, because this is thicker than t-shirts or anything else I usually work on, I have to adjust my plantain. RST Wood requires a heavy pressure. So this back here, this knob, this dial, is where we adjust the pressure. So I've just covered the bottom of my heat press with a thin towel just to protect it some. Okay, I can't get that down, so I have to adjust it where it's a little bit easier for me to, that's too easy. So I'm going to go clockwise, and that's a little too hard. So counterclockwise, a half turn should make it perfect. All right, so I've adjusted my pre-press pressure, and I'm going to put the image down. I've got my heat press set to 300. I'm going to put my image face down. If you have some heat tape, you can use that to keep your image in place, but I think we're good to go. And we're going to press this at 300 for 10 seconds. And make sure you put it in the middle of your heat press. Everything's all pressed down perfectly. There's no bubbles, there's no gaps. And we're good to go. Now we're going to put a little water on it and remove it. Okay? See you at the sink. Okay, it's been heat pressed on, and now we're going to put some water on it. And once we see the image appear and the paper starts to come loose, we're going to take it off. And look how cute that is. Oh, Lynn is going to love this. You can take a towel and dab it, dry it off. And then also we recommend you use lacquer on it if you want to save the finish. All right, there you go. RST Wood, either with a heat press like this one was or with glue. Bye, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.